You'll find the windshield wiper washer lever to the left of the steering wheel. Rotate the end of the lever to low for low-speed wipers. Turn it to high for high-speed wipers. For some weather conditions, you might want to use the intermittent wiper feature. Just rotate the control to one of the intermittent settings. The delay cycle varies depending on vehicle speed. For washer spray, push on the end of the lever. The spray will stop when you release the lever, and the wipers will continue for several cycles before returning to their previous state. To activate a single wipe cycle, tap the end of the lever instead of fully pushing it. It's a great way to clear off road mist or spray from a passing vehicle. To activate your rear window wiper, rotate the center of the wiper switch to the first position for intermittent wipers or the second position for continuous operation. To activate the rear window washer, turn and hold the lever to either of the washer positions. The washer pump and wiper will operate as long as you hold the lever. You'll find the headlight control switches on the left side of the instrument panel, next to the steering wheel. Press this button for parking lights and this button for headlights. If you press the auto button, the headlights will turn on or off automatically based on surrounding light levels. If equipped, automatic high beams can be enabled or disabled in your Uconnect settings, and then activated with the headlight switch in the auto position and the multi-function lever pushed forward to the high beam position. A front-facing digital camera detects the light of oncoming vehicles and switches the beams from high to low until the approaching vehicle is out of view. To activate the front fog lights, turn on the parking lights or low beam headlights and push this button. Push it a second time to turn the fog lights off. The dimmer control switch controls your instrument panel and ambient lighting. With the parking lights or headlights on, rotate the dimmer control to adjust the brightness of the instrument panel lights and the interior and ambient light levels. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.